Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to set up a schedule for your Roomba Combo Essential 2. So the first thing we're going to do is open up the iRobot app and make sure that the Roomba right here is connected to our app. And once you've done that, we can scroll down to schedule and either click create a schedule right here or just tap the arrow and click on new schedule on the bottom right. And here you have a few settings, so for example time or automation, and automation is basically the app detects when you leave home and starts up your Roomba to clean, and time is where you can schedule a specific time for the Roomba to start on. So to change the time, we are going to click on this start option right here and adjust the time it starts. And you also have the days that the Roomba is scheduled to clean on, so you can change it to any of these days. And once you're done, you can head back and click on schedule. But if you want to create automation, you're going to click on this automation tab right here and click on enable now, and it's going to ask you to enable location services, but I'm not going to do that now. Once you've set up this option right here, it's going to allow you to create a automatic schedule. So once you click on that, you can see that a schedule has been created, and you can enable it or disable it. And now your Roomba will be cleaning on the days and hours that you have set up for it. And that's it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped, and make sure to like and subscribe.